Hi, welcome to Usborne Books with Laura. This is one of our new books for March 2018. This one is Look Inside How Things Work. It has over 70 flaps to lift. Now this is part of our Look Inside series. We also have a See Inside How Things Work, and that one's for a little bit older kids. This one would be good, I would say probably around ages like 3 to 7, 3 to 8. It has a lot of text in it, as you can see, and so much to look at, so many different details. And this is a lift the flap book. So let's take a look. So this one is divided up into things that are on the road. So here it talks about signal lights. How does a car start driving? And then you lift the flap and it breaks it down for you and shows you all the different things that help a car start driving. How does a motorbike work? Here it talks about trains. There's lots of flaps on that side. You turn the book this way, sea and sky. So here it talks about a helicopter. How do hot air balloons go up and down? How does a house work? This page is really fun. Here it talks about where water comes from. How does a house get nice and warm? So it's really talking about everyday life and everyday things that kiddos usually see on the road or they can see going about their daily lives. And it tells them how they work. How do computers work? How does bread become toast inside a toaster? Here it talks about a dishwasher. How does a refrigerator keep food cold? I love these books because they're very thick and sturdy, and even the flaps are also very sturdy as well. Here's talking about building sites, a crane, a digger, here's farm machines, and there's more here as well. Just because I'm not lifting it doesn't mean they're not there. Here's an emergency one. So it talks about fire trucks and how they get their water. Here's an ambulance and what's inside a police car. Hopefully your children never know that unless they're police officers themselves. So this one is $14.99. Once again, this is our brand new book. Make sure if you're interested in this one that you choose Look Inside How Things Work and not See Inside, because that one's for a bit older kids. If you have any questions, just go ahead and let me or your book consultant know. Thank you for watching. Bye.